Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your video using InShot video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up the project I have just created and I'm going to remove this text from my video. If you want to remove something from our video guys, we can use mask feature. But wait, I'm going to duplicate my video. I'm going to select my video and then I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, this is the duplicate option and I'm going to make it as an overlay. So we can select switch. Okay, switch like this. And you can click on this icon to fit the screen. Okay, and we're going to use mask to cover this text. We can go to the mask option and wait, let me choose the mask. I think I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and then we can adjust the mask like this, and I'm going to make it smoother. Okay, we can click on the check mark and we can cover it with this mask. Okay, and to make it more natural guys, I'm going to use the feather. What is it? Okay, right here. Okay, and I think it looks better. But we can keep adjusting until we're satisfied with how it looks. And I'm going to go to the wait, where is the adjustment? Okay, it's in the filter. I'm going to adjust and I'm going to try to increase the lightness. Okay, but just a little bit, but it's better. And I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, and oops, it's not smooth guys. Wait, let me play it. Okay, I just like this guys. Okay, and yeah. Okay guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video using InShot video editor app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.